Hello again, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Woodpecker's Deep Dive. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the Polini Pocket Rules. Before we get started, I'd like to ask you to hit the subscription button and the notification bell. That way you'll know about every one of our new videos. Okay, let's take a look. The first thing that we want to talk about with the Polini rules is that without all of their extra features, they're great rules in themselves. Both the aluminum and the steel, you have beautiful laser engravings, accurate to 0.004 of an inch over the whole length of the blade, high contrast, you've got the white on the red, or you have very deep black on the satin chrome blade. So one of our customers' favorite features of the Polini is this stop mechanism. Now, a trick that has been around as long as the combination square is to use the square to make repetitive marking. A couple of problems with this, though. One, it's big. And the other is there's nothing to control the pencil, so it's really easy to fall off one edge or the other. With the Polini, there's a notch milled right into the end of the blade. Now, the very compact stop fits up against the end of the board. The notch controls the tip of my pencil, and I have excellent control for my parallel line. So let's see what else the stop can do for us besides set up your marking gauge. We're going to take the stop off, slip it through the cutout in the middle of the blade. Now that becomes a stand that keeps the rule perfectly vertical while we set up the height of our router bit. Now, this is one of those times when I really like the red anodized aluminum rule. The white on red is really nice when I'm trying to set a critical measurement on a router bit.
This is the Bosch CM10GD dual bevel glide miter saw. This saw combines evolutionary performance with revolutionary design. Remodelers, trim carpenters, and woodworkers will appreciate the unbelievable engineering that went into this space-saving design. This patented axial glide system provides consistent precision over the life of the tool while saving you up to 10 inches of workspace. Notice how there are no rails? With this design, you can push this right up against the wall. The glide action also allows for unmatched smoothness of cut. With 12-inch nominal horizontal capacity, 5-inch vertical capacity, and 6-inch crown capacity against the fence, you get an expanded cutting capacity on this 10-inch saw. Upfront bevel controls mean no more reaching to the back of the tool. Make adjustments quickly and easily. The integrated crown chop lock lets you lock the head in place for maximum chop cutting capacity for upright base molding and nested crown.
Jet knows a project's finish creates a first impression for the customer. That's why you don't need just any drum sander. You need a Jet drum sander. Their unique pull-through conveyor design simplifies operation. The die-cast carriage gives the operator the support needed for demanding projects. The stand increases stability with its 20-inch by 37-inch footprint and also has a storage shelf for operator convenience. Jet's SandSmart technology continuously monitors the drum motor load. It automatically maintains the highest feed rate without overloading the motor. Their industry-first, tool-free table parallelism adjustment simplifies the process of bringing the drum sander in and out of parallel quickly and accurately. A quick turn of the knob makes your adjustment so you can get back to work with minimal downtime. Jet's patented heavy-duty molded dust hood baffle is engineered to be both lightweight and durable. This industry-leading design provides a better, cleaner sanding experience. 97% of all dust is extracted. Changing abrasives is quick and easy thanks to Jet's tool-free take-up clips. Easily adjust the drum height in increments of 1/16 of an inch by rotating the top position hand wheel. Your project's finishing touches deserve the proper finish. Only Jet drum sanders can give you that superior finish you deserve.
Our Infinity Universal Router base plates replace the flimsy plastic disc that comes on your router from the factory with a 3/8 inch thick clear acrylic plate specifically designed to make commonly performed routing operations easier and more accurate. All Infinity Universal base plates are pre-drilled for most full-size routers and are compatible with Porter cable style guide bushings. Available in 3 styles, a 7.5 inch round, a D handle with removable guide fence, and a 12-inch square, these base plates are available individually or in a money-saving 3-piece combo pack. The 7.5 inch round base plate is perfect for general purpose routing anytime you need to use a guide bushing or simply want a larger, more stable, and more durable routing platform. The D-handle base plate has a teardrop shape and built-in fence. The fence can be used to follow the edge of a straight or curved workpiece. Removing the fence allows the handle to be positioned over the surface of your workpiece for more stable edge routing with bearing-guided bits. The 12-inch square base plate provides a large surface area and is perfect for use with tray-making templates or slab flattening jigs. See the description below for more information, a link to where to buy, and to check if the Infinity full-size router base plates are compatible with your router.
Hi, this is the FC Domino Centering Solution, or DCS. If you have used the brilliant Festool Domino a lot, chances are you have experienced the depth setting of the base creeping up, especially after prolonged use. This can go unnoticed until assembly time when your joints don't match up. Very frustrating to say the least. The DCS is milled from one solid piece of high quality aluminium and gives multiple accurate size options by using the 1.5mm and 2mm plastic shims. No setting the depth, simply screw on and it will be consistently the same each and every time.
Screw the round knob onto the same face as the engraved size you wish to domino. Then attach the DCS to the machine with the round knob facing up. In this demonstration, we will be using the 18/9 setting, 18mm board with a 9mm centre. Use the machine in the upside down position. You will see the factory calibrated alignment mark through the slot in the DCS. Line that up as you would normally do and you're good to go. The FC DCS, the only accessory that will quickly and easily give you a reliable metric centering solution for 5 different thicknesses of board by using different combinations of the shims supplied.
Reach markers, made for the hard-to-reach places. Available in 4 colors: red, blue, green, and black. Extra fine tip, made for the hard-to-mark area. Can be used with reach tape measure. Can be used as a marking tool. Reach markers. Reach pencils, made for the hard-to-reach places. Ultra thin number 2 pencils used in drill holes, keyholes, detailing, electrical boxes. Sharpens in a standard sharpener. Suitable for use on wood, tile, concrete, and more.
Miter Aid from Trim Clip is an innovative new tool that makes trimming any window an easy job. To begin, mark 1/4 inch reveal lines using Miter Aid's built-in reveal fence. Set Miter Aid against the corner of the window frame and mark the reveal lines with a pencil. Next, in order to measure the jamb, install a trim nail at the intersection point of the reveal lines. With your tape measure hooked on the nail, measure the horizontal and vertical lengths of the window. Now it's time to begin the miter cuts, and you'll soon see how Miter Aid helps you accurately measure even the longest cuts of trim. Start by making a left 45-degree cut. Clip Miter Aid onto the cut edge of the trim. Hook your tape measure in the slot on the Miter Aid. And transfer your measurement onto the trim. Now you're ready to make a right 45-degree cut. And because you measured with Miter Aid, you can be confident that it will be accurate. Repeat these steps for the remaining pieces of trim. Once you have all your trim cut, you're ready to frame the window. Align the first